In this video, we are gonna talk about Kajabi's mobile app settings. For that, you need to go to Kajabi's admin panel and find settings near the bottom left and click on it. Then, under the site settings, find the mobile app settings and click on it. Just letting you know that Kajabi has app for Android devices as well as iOS devices, and your user will be able to use the Kajabi's app to access your course. So this mobile app settings is really cool. And in the mobile app settings, you can upload your icon, and then you can choose a default color palettes, and Kajabi will allow you only use those color palettes. That means you need to choose a color palette that best matches to your brand. Then the Kajabi app promotion, here you can upload a banner and the email copy. So you can copy this email copy and send them to your audience and letting them know that your course is available through Kajabi's app. And that concludes Kajabi's mobile app settings. By the way, don't forget to save changes once you are done making changes.